Very quickly, I'll show you how to save DWG file from ArchiCAD, and that too also with the proper layers, all the data in the model space, and then later what can be that you should do in that DWG file so it will get minimized for its file size also, and the person who's going to refer that file will also be what you can say refer that with a correct manner. No errors will be there. So very quickly, just make sure that I have done this particular layout. So in my layout book, I have developed this layout, and this layout contains all the floor plan sections, elevations. Now, remember for that, the required floor plan sections you have added as per the required scale and everything. Just be careful that this sheet size which I have designed was not supposed to be meant for printing purpose. I've just made the sheet size something which should be suitable for my all these required objects or the plans and sections should get accommodated so that I can extract them in a one go as a DWG file. So this sheet was not suitable for printing purpose. So when you want to publish this, just make sure that you have used this correct method. That is nothing but in the organizer, I have selected the layout book on one side. Other side, my publisher sets option was there. In that already I have designed few publisher sets. One was WD, PDF and DWG. WD stands for working drawing. So in that again I have a few subfolders. So this particular subfolder was WD set revision 00 DWG. In that this particular file I have dragged and placed it. Okay. Then the format was DWG was selected. Now the important step was choosing the right translator. Now you remember this translator you can even design from other places also, or otherwise directly we will click over here. I'll just explain the translator in a simple manner. Now there must be several translator by default ArchiCAD must be offering, you must have designed. The one which I am now, I have already designed one translator, so I'll talk about that. In your case, you can start a new translator also, give appropriate name. Anyway, my translator was suitable for use for export, so I have just kept this particular setting over here. It depends on your choice again. Now remember what we have to do is, if you just check out the settings, the drawing unit. Now the drawing unit, I kept all the options as they are. That is 1 BXF DWG unit in ArchiCAD is equal to so remember, it's an AutoCAD 1 unit. In ArchiCAD, it will be 1 millimeter. This is what I have kept as it is, or otherwise preferred 1 units. But this is when you import, actually, it will be useful. Extracting will be nothing but 1 BXF DWG unit and 1 millimeter. So that's absolutely fine. No need of changing anything as long as your drawing is not in feet inches or something like that. After that, open option, I don't have to change anything. Save options, of course I have to, because this is getting exported, not imported. So when it goes for the save option, you remember the file format was as per your choice. You should choose out of this available options. Then directly something very important is save layout into. This is very important because this entire your layout book which you have, that this entire layout which you have designed, how it should be saved. So that will get saved in the model space instead of earlier other setting, maybe paper space with a drawing as a block and everything like that. So I am not interested to use them because they are getting the entire extracted information will be in a paper space, which I am not willing to. So I am going to convert this information into model space. Then afterwards, the rest of things I am not changing over here. In attributes, very important thing is the layer. In the layer, the methods, you make sure that the first option create layer according to ArchiCAD layers. This is a perfect thing. I don't want to change anything in this. You make sure this is useful. Then all elements on save elements on all layers. Of course, you can keep this option as per your choice. Now the important thing is that create custom layer for, and then you have a choice, like for example for the window I have generated wind as a layer, doors I have generated door as a layer, or skylights if in case you have, you can decide that, cover fields, cut fields, and drafting fields. So just make sure that you should give the appropriate layer names so that your current layer or these elements will get converted or placed on these specified layer name. Okay, so this is something again important thing. Now another thing that is, do not ex export empty layers, so that's again your wish. Now the layer name conversion, which is again an important thing, uh, because in case if any of the layer, ArchiCAD layer, if you feel that this has to be get renamed for your comfort. For example, I have selected drawing and figure, and then that was renamed as a nameplate. Okay, so same way, if you say new and if you see that it should be um, maybe interior furniture and you just want to rename this as a furniture, so you can give such names and then that will be the substitute name. Okay, so this you can decide. Again, this is really important. Later, same way you can maintain the pen set and the line types and fields. I have not changed anything in this because they are by default, the settings are in our favor. Now one has to definitely save and quit, but in my case I'm not saving because already the translator was designed as per my choice. Now remember, when I say that okay, I've selected elements I'm going to publish. So remember, the moment this gets published, you will see the file size which you are getting, and we'll see how to now then minimize this file size and make this drawing compatible for further editing before I give it or hand over it to some other agency. So now in case you have AutoCAD with you, kindly open that directly in AutoCAD. I don't have AutoCAD with me, so I'm taking the benefit of this web app from the Autodesk, which is again a very convenient thing. And it's a free of cost, so you can just sign in and you start using this. I'm going to upload the file which recently we have extracted. So this is the file which is supposed to be. Remember, it is almost 15 MB file which we have designed. Okay, working drawing DWG. This will get uploaded. Once this gets uploaded, obviously you have to open this. So once the file gets uploaded, you just have to make sure that you have to open this particular file. And once the file gets opened, the few important things which you have to definitely talk about, because if you don't follow them, then you have to unnecessarily accept that bigger file size also, and maybe how that particular data conversion is done, especially the scaling of the entire see or floor plan and section elements. So once you have opened this file in AutoCAD, now the first thing which you have to check is the overall scaling which has to be get adjusted. The reason behind this is a very simple, that your drawing which you have exported is not exactly to the specified units, that is millimeter in my case. It has been reduced 50 times because my scale for all the layouts was all the drawings which I have pasted, the scale was supposed to be for 1:50. So now a very simple thing which you have to do is to so if you just check out that here, if it is written 450 millimeters, and if I put di for the distance in AutoCAD, and if I measure any of this distance, say for example this 230, now it is becoming as a 4.6 millimeters. So that is nothing but if I make this 50 times bigger, it will be exactly 230. So I am going to use this scale command, scale, and then once you go for scale, you can say all the objects, and once the objects are selected, the base point you can keep it as a 0,0 if in case you want to be specific about the origin. Otherwise you can give any other required base point also, and the reference which you're going to, that is scale factor which you're going to talk about, I'll directly put as a 50 times. So what will happen? Obviously my entire drawing will be 50 times bigger. So I'll say zoom, and then I will say extremes or all, whichever you find comfortable. Now if you check, for example, if I use the same zoom area, and if you go for the same distance command, you will realize that distance which you are now going to get will be definitely 230 millimeters. Correct? Fine. Now it's time to go for the other option, that is how to now convert this, because all these this drawings which you have pasted, that is my sections, elevation, they are single objects. So I'm going to explode them, because unless until you don't explode, the file size cannot be get trimmed. So let's try to put X for the explode, that is activate this command, again put all, and then you can just enter and let them get exploded. So what will happen? All the entities will become individual objects. So once the drawing gets exploded, now it's time to first of all purge this. Prior to that, just check out the layers which you were expecting, whether there's a door layer which I was expecting, or a window layer. Okay, so all the elements are getting automatically shifted on those respective layers. So everything is now quite as per your choice. Anyway, now the very much important thing which I was talking about was nothing but using the purge command. Fine. So let's talk about the purge. So I'm going to say purge, and then definitely we'll go for all, and then afterwards purge entire, enter name to purge all this, everything I want to purge. Do you want to each name to be purged? You want to confirm, verify? No, I don't want to. So he will just consider all the objects which you want to which should be get purged. Now remember, once this process has been get done, you're almost done. Okay, so your drawing is now ready, and you are just have to save this file. And moment you try to save this file, you will realize the file size before and after. So I'll just try to put the save. So once the file is saved, you just go back and check out. You will realize that file was trimmed down tremendously. Now it's become as a 4.2 MB. So definitely you can send this file for your further need. I hope you have understood this. If in case you face any problem, please let me know. Thank you.